touch it, Carlos. Yo, come and grab it. Oh shit. You better move.
Where your eyes at?
Huh?
Where your eyes at?
I don't know. Hit it. That's our balls, fool.
Huh?
What are you hitting? Yo! Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't. Oh gosh, this fool. Yo! That's just gonna sting you. Drop it.
Huh?
Drop it.
Let's check my eyes. You got no eyes?
You're fucking twisted, yo.
Huh?
You're twisted already. Drop it from there. Give it a kiss, kiss, kiss.
That shit's alive, guys.
That's just like, lie.
See one thing. Still.
You see his balls?
That
Chill.
way closer.
No, drop it. I don't trust you with that shit. Nah.
Not closer.
No,
to the
nigga.
camera.
Drop it. It's closed already. Fuck you. Yo! Chill with that.
Did
Alright.
you dip him?
I did already.
No closer.
It's good. It's good.
You want to release him to the water?
No, just drop it down there. Into his feet though.
But most of them died though.
Yeah, that's good. Yo, that shit is gonna sting you, fool. Just drop it. Yo, drop it in that rock.
In the water.
In the rock.
Water.
And then you're gonna go into the water, dumbass.
I ain't going to water.
I am. Just drop it down here.
Come in.
Just drop it down here. He's gonna walk by himself.
Oh, right there. Somebody wants to go.
Imagine that shit jumps. Fuck that.
I was scared when I thought
Chill, bye, Carlos.
kill this guy. Save a life. That's vegetarian.
I am, fool.
I think you eating a fish, yeah?
There is no fish inside.
Yes, fish is it. See? Right there.
Try to get one then.
Here, bro.
Huh?
Leave him there or take him on?
Yeah, let's take it home. I need it.
We should, yeah.
Yeah.